Guys, today I'm going to show you how you can send fax message from ULEFONE Armor X7 Pro. So now for let's open the Play Store and look for the fax app. Choose Easy Fax, install it and open. To show again this free credits banner, you have to restart the application. Now click on the plus and choose source of your document. I'm gonna pick something from my gallery. I got this photo for example. Now click on the import. Now you can add this as shape to your document or the picture. And if you're ready, click on the arrow icon. Now choose the filter for a photo to make it more visible. If you're ready, click on the accept icon, type the number displays and choose the country from the list. To send the message, just click on this button. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.